I did not like what happened last weekend in Kitengera when there were people who were tear-gassed in a peaceful rally, and I hope the police will investigate it thoroughly and the culprits will be punished accordingly, because, Mr. Speaker, we are in the implementation of a 10-point agenda, and now that notwithstanding, Mr. Speaker, I want to comment on the fish dying, by the statement by Honorable Odinga on the fish dying in Lake Victoria. Mr. Speaker, this is a notorious thing of greed. There are very, very greedy people who normally use poison to catch fish instead of using nets. And this is what is affecting the fish cages, which should be producing fish much more efficiently than fishing in the lake. And Mr. Speaker, I hope that this matter is going to be dealt with by the security of the lake and increasing the security surveillance in the lake, so that these greedy fishermen don't continue to use poison and kill our people also, because the fish which is poisoned and is sold in the market passes on that poison to the people who consume it. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Senator Oburu. Finally, Senator Miraj.
Asante Bwana Spika kwa fursa hii, na mimi niweze kuchangia katika hoja ya maombi ya Seneta Lelegwe kutoka kule Samburu kuhusiana na ongezeko la vifo vya mapema vya watoto, maternal health.